Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the background image for the Safari Start Page on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Next, tap on the Tabs button at the bottom corner. Then in here, tap on the Add button to create a new start page. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Edit button. In here, make sure you turn on background image, and then you can select one of the pre-installed images, and then tap on the Close button and you'll be able to see the change for your background image in the Safari Start Page. Now if you tap on the Edit button to go back in here, you can also select your own picture from the photos album. So in here you can select a photo that you have in your library, and then tap on the Close button, and there you go. That is how you can change the background image on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.